So
now that's pretty right there. Z-06.
Then I says to
Today
Mabel,
we
I
got
says,
Norm's Z-06 in here. We've done a little bit with Norm before. Let's get a good look at this pretty girl. There she is. All right, Chambers, Brendan, Uno #1 super elite mechanic. What have we done for Norm before?
So Norm actually was a client with us on one of our other businesses, and he had talked to us originally about really wanting a Z06. I think he actually found us because we had the vets out front of the other business, and he shot on in. We ended up having a long conversation about waiting for a 26, finding a 25. This was about 6 months ago, 7 months ago.
yeah, I'd already gotten here.
And yeah, you were already here. And so he decided at that point, he's like, I really want one. So he had 2 on order with different dealerships, but he found this one, I want to say North Carolina?
Yeah, a third dealership in North Carolina.
So he found exactly what he was looking for, which is this beautiful 25 Z06 in black. The second he got it, he drove it to us and he's like, all right, it's not loud enough. What can we do about that? And it sits a little tall and it doesn't exactly fit the image of what he had in mind. So we set him up right out of the bat. We got him directed the right way towards the wheels. Mm-hmm. He really liked the sound of the AWEs that he had seen some video for out there. So we ended up with an AWE exhaust system on an otherwise pretty stock car.
Those are the wheels he's talking about right there. Those pretty
and those are gorgeous.
They are
gorgeous
pretty.
Wheels. It really pops on the car. His big thing that it just continually comes back to isn't actually horsepower. He's really happy with the way that Chevy offered it and the power it's putting down, which is what advertised at 670 horsepower.
Yeah.
I don't remember the torque off the top of my head, but it's a fun car. What he's looking for is that visceral response of the exhaust. He wants the sound, and this is a great motor to get that sound out of. So after
all right, hold on, I'm gonna put everybody on the spot. Got to put everybody on the spot. Chambers, 670. What do we think we're putting down?
Oh, well, we
for
are
our
going to
baseline.
So we're going to baseline it. What do I think it's realistically going to put to the ground through the DCT? Probably 610, 605.
Aaron.
Well, since he took mine, I'm going to say 612.
All right.
Is this like the Price is Right?
Unfortunately, you are both wrong, and Norm will exceed 620.
620. All right. Now,
and this is a push-up bet.
This is a standard push-up bet, and we're going to put it on video.
Oh, it will be on the video.
Of course.
The losers will pay. Our standard push-up bet is 5 Marine Corps push-ups. For the rest of the world, that's 10 for you, but, you know, Marine Corps always does things twice. I guess it makes you 593 horse.
All right. So why are you guys pushing?
Because Brendan knows so much more than we do.
Because we guessed wrong about power.
Oh, let's look at some of the, oh, that's good. That's 1. I mean, you got to get lower. You got to get Robert lower. Oh, let me get lower so we can really take a look at that. There we go. We got to be at 2 by now. Oh, pay me for my knowledge. Oh, look at that.
All right, my friend, continue on.
I forgot where I was. I'm just so excited to see you do push-ups on a camera.
And 4 seconds hold at top. I learned the hard way.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Why not? But he wants it louder.
Louder.
He wants this thing to wake up the neighbors. God bless him for it. I've been out to his community he lives in. Very, very nice, high-end community. So, yeah, we're going to make it louder. Is it time to show off the goodies?
Yes, it is. I will say, for those of you observant folks over there, that is a C8. What a friggin' stock C8 runs, 435, 426. We just pulled it off. All right, now back to the table of gloriness.
And those are 495. I looked it up.
All right, all right.
Actually, before we get in too much on this thing, we want to thank Sean over at Milltek. Milltek, believe it or not, huge history with that company, right? Being a European company that's has exhaust offerings for a lot of European cars. About 3 years ago, they put a stateside manufacturing here very local to us. So we reached out to him and we said, hey, we're looking at high flow cats. that we want to put on this that's going to increase the exhaust note in this car. And he said, hey, I want you to come on down. He introduced us to the entire team down there, showed the facilities. Absolutely beautiful. Go to our Facebook page. We put up some photos from that one already. But these are the high flow cats done with the heat shield already onto it. And this is what we wanted to start off his car. When we were in the conversation, we also decided we needed a better intake system that's on there because that does impact exhaust note and it also impacts the prettiness, right?
Prettiness.
Well, and the sound that you're going to get from the engine.
Yeah.
And for everybody's knowledge, when we say local to us, if you're not blessed with living here in beautiful Tennessee, Milltek's located in Alcoa, Tennessee, which is right below Knoxville.
Now, one of the prettiest intake systems that's available for the C8 platform is the e-Venturi.
Yep.
If you
Very
don't
complete
know,
kit.
you need to know.
Yeah, this thing is art, and it's functional art. They have done a fantastic job. Oh, I can't wait to open her up. And I don't think we're going to do it for this video, are we?
Why not?
Why not? Our videos like to run long anyway, so we might as well do it for that as well.
A little bit of an unboxing video.
Yeah. Packaged very well.
If you haven't seen these before or pictures of them, you might want to sit down.
Yeah, we don't want
If you're a car guy, you might get a little uncomfortable in the trousers.
or heart attacks.
Make it weird.
It's always weird.
It's all good.
Oh, you were going for a razor. I see.
was.
I just figured you'd skipped arm day or something.
Ouch.
Ooh, carbon fiber gloriness.
Oh, here it comes.
Now, what you can't tell is just how incredibly light this is, but you can see the intakes already in the plenum there. Just a beautiful piece.
All right, and from the trunk, you'll see that side right there. We, of course, will show you a video of it once it's installed.
Yeah.
It's one of the prettiest pieces I've ever seen go on a car.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. And you can't hide this sort of work. You can't hide this sort of quality. So they make a clear plexiglass piece that replaces a body panel in the trunk. So that way everybody else can see that you purchased just a fantastic intake system.
Well, it's carbon fiber. You have to show it off. Pretty sure that's like a law.
It
Yeah.
is. Don't
And it
get
is
arrested.
fantastic. And fit and finish, like, these guys really nailed it flat. You cannot go wrong with this system. It ties into the factory inlets onto it, but it just does it in a sexy way that GM, I don't know, just kind of failed a little bit on. There's big horsepower that can be made with intake systems, even on the factory intake on the car, which is a little unusual for the amount of engineering that went into it. I'm sure something had to do with sound. I'm sure something had to do with cost.
Probably.
But if you've had a C8, whether it's a Z06 or the narrow body, right, Stingray, you know you can pick up a little bit with different filter options that are available for the factory housing. But if you really want it to flow, that's the way you go.
He did mean to rhyme there.
I rhyme
so
all
you
the
know.
time. It was a little sublime.
With that, we're
No
gonna-
more rhymes than I mean it.
We'll see you in a minute.
What you're seeing right there, center on the screen, is boring. And stock is boring.
Stock is boring. I'm pretty sure I saw that somewhere.
It's on a t-shirt. It might even be on our logo.
Maybe some
I'm not really
stickers.
sure.
Yeah.
There's definitely some stickers out there that say exactly that. So anyway, that's got to go. We got to put in big, sexy e-Venturi intake system. And while we're right there, we got some high flow cats to put in. I debated doing a video on the entire install because I think there's people out there that would love to watch it, especially if they're getting ready to go through it. But the truth of the matter is, Robert left us again. And I'm holding this up with my left hand.
Oh, and I'm off camera.
And, well,
And we don't even have mics on.
we don't even have mics. We're like yelling at this.
Yeah.
Killing us, Robert. You guys quit taking time off because, oh, I've got a customer to talk to. Craziness. Anyway, so we're going to get working. And if he shows up in the meantime, maybe we can get a video put together. Otherwise, I'll just take some pictures and add them to the video and you can see it that way.
Yeah, it'll be a mosaic.
Ooh, nice word.
It was the word of the day.
It is the word of the day, mosaic.
Mosaic.